Hello, children of class 10. Welcome back to your literature class. Yesterday, we have finished that uh, Kitty's teacher, not Kitty's teacher actually, Frank's teacher, Kitty was the diary. Frank's teacher, Mr. Keesing, he has given her a paragraph to write, Mr. Chatterbox. And she could understand that Mr. Keesing has given her the topic because she was talking too much in the class. Anyways, she had written the paragraph very nicely. And finally, what she has written that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there is not much you can do about inherited habits. Very fine, this girl has written, no? That is, she has told that her mother also used to talk so much as she does, and that cannot be stopped because she has inherited it or she has got it from her mother. That means what? Something which you get biologically, that the habit which you gain from your father or forefather, that is very hard to be removed. I'm not telling that it cannot be removed. Everything can be done, but it's a hard thing to get yourself removed from that. Anyways, Mr. Keesing was also very happy after reading the paragraph. Again, her talking phenomena continues, and then he gave her another paragraph. An incorrigible chatterbox means she could not be resisted, or she talks so much that it cannot be taken. Okay, she write that also, and that was also very nice. Now, Anna Frank's punishment gained the promotion. Why? Because the more she was getting punished, the more she was writing nicely. Finally, Mr. Keesing gave her to write quack quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Now, she got irritated. Sure, what the hell? If he really wants to give me any paragraph, then he could have given me so many topics are there. Anyways, she was not interested about the topic, but her motto was to fulfill the homework and get it submitted to the teacher. So one of her friend was there. She was very good in English, Sana. She told her that I will help you. I'm good in poetry. I'll help you to write the poem in verse form. Verse form means in the poetry form. And Annie was very happy. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was really very beautiful poem. Keesing looked at it and he read the poem to the class, adding his own comments. He read the part which has been done by Annie, and there he also put his own comments so that at a time he can express his views also. Since then, I have been allowed to talk and have not been assigned any extra homework. On the contrary, Mr. Keesing's always making jokes on these days. Now, then, these days become very good or humorous days for Mr. Keesing, and he always used to make um, jokes on these writings of my diary. Okay, so Keesing was basically a maths teacher, thou, but he was loving, or rather, he used to love children. Okay, so in the poem, in the writing, your Anna Frank has not mentioned anything mischievous, but basic story which I knew was Anna Frank's life was a very miserable life. One thing I can tell you, that is Anna Frank had to resist tremendous pain because of the torture of the Hitler, as because she belonged to a Jewish family. Here, she has written only about her school days. But she got pain, and finally she could not resist it anymore and she died. In the beginning of the session, I have told you that only her father was able to remain alive because the pain, the torture was so tremendous that it's really become very hard for any person to take it. Anyways, your lesson ends over here, and rest is the exercise and question answers that I'll forward you very soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay fine. Thank you.